Motivating innovations. Winning an election in India requires a comprehensive booth management strategy that focuses on various aspects, including organization, voter outreach, mobilization, and effective communication. Step-by-step guide to help you develop a booth management strategy is given below. Build a stronghold in area by maximizing personal contacts. The foremost requirement to become a public figure is to be a person from masses. A real leader can only be a person who is always available with general public, i.e., in their joyous and sorrowful moments both. He should be a member, who at least visited their house, community or a local group, and worked them to resolve even local problems, in person or through his active representatives. Quality to express ideas and to mention about the deeds done, is also appreciated. Organize a strong booth committee. Form a dedicated booth committee consisting of enthusiastic and committed party workers. Assign clear responsibilities to each member, such as booth management, voter outreach, data collection, and logistics. Voter data management. Build a comprehensive database of voters in each booth. This can be achieved through voter registration lists, door-to-door surveys, and public databases. Ensure that the data is regularly updated and segmented based on demographics, voting history, and other relevant factors. Micro-targeting and voter outreach. Analyze the voter data to identify key target groups and develop micro-targeting strategies. Create personalized messages and campaign materials for each segment, highlighting the party's agenda, achievements, and promises specific to their concerns. Door-to-door campaigning. Door-to-door campaigning remains a crucial aspect of Indian elections. Deploy party workers to visit households, engage with voters, and address their concerns. Maintain a consistent presence and build a rapport with voters through meaningful interactions. Voter education and awareness. Conduct voter education programs to ensure voters are aware of the party's symbol, candidate, and relevant information about the election process. Educate them about the party's agenda and how it can positively impact their lives. Mobilize party workers. Train and mobilize party workers to effectively manage the booths on the election day. Ensure they are well versed with the voting process, aware of their roles as polling agents, and equipped to handle any issues or irregularities that may arise. Get out the vote (GOTV) strategy. Develop a robust get out the vote strategy to encourage maximum voter turnout. This can include reminder calls, SMS campaigns, and arranging transportation for voters who face logistical challenges in reaching the polling stations. Effective communication. Utilize various communication channels such as social media, local newspapers, radio, and public meetings to convey the party's message and engage with voters. Leverage technology to disseminate information, share updates, and address queries. Election monitoring. Keep a close eye on the polling process and monitor any irregularities. Assign party workers as polling agents to ensure transparency and fairness during the voting process. Report any concerns or violations promptly to the appropriate authorities. Post-election analysis. Analyze the election results and assess the performance at each booth. Identify areas of improvement and incorporate lessons learned into future strategies. Remember, winning an election requires a combination of effective booth management, a strong candidate, and a compelling party agenda. It's essential to connect with voters, address their concerns, and build trust. Adapt your strategy based on local dynamics, prioritize grassroots level engagement, and maintain a consistent presence throughout the campaign. Thank you. Thanks for watching.